runs over.
Some nice looking Craftsman.
But it's you know.
Look at that.
She said it doesn't run, which I think it's.
We're gonna load it up, guys. Give us a few minutes. I'm gonna pull up here, Lee. We'll get stuck in the yard because I'm probably concerned about that load up How you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Awesome. I'm happy as a lark. I've been looking for another project recently, and this looks like it's going to be a project.
It's not that big of a project. Blades are new, belts are new, batteries new. Just needs engine.
I just put a cam in one of these, so.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what we did.
It's not.
I have
big.
two of them.
I can tell you, it's blowing oil through the exhaust, so that's the issue. But it'll crank over, it'll fire.
You got probably a bad valve seat.
Yeah, it's quite possible
Yeah.
that it dies. But we can get it up.
Fouls the plug out and dies. Gotcha. No biggie.
Hey.
Neutral.
I know how to walk a lot of these lawnmowers. We're gonna get it up on the truck, and I'll meet you then. Okay, so we just got it all strapped in.
Well, we're gonna tighten the strap a little more.
Okay, well, yeah, we gotta make sure the ramps don't fall out either. But yeah, he just got himself a new mower. He's been need one. And
an 8.5 overhead cam.
yeah, you can see maybe it burns oil. He said that.
It's a Briggs and Stratton's.
Yeah, Briggs and Stratton is a really good company. Yep.
All right, guys, we're happy as a lark.
Yeah. Okay, so we just got it off the truck. We used the ditch over there, and yeah, I'll give you a little walkthrough about it, even though it's not really mine. But so it's got. So the issue is it blows oil, and I believe it's the PCV valve. There isn't really any oil on the dipstick. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a brand new gasoline filter, brand spanking new air filter. He said it has a new battery, but in my opinion that doesn't look brand new. It's 18, so I don't really know, but yeah, this is kind of what it's going on. I don't think we're gonna be able to walk on it tonight. It's getting dark and stuff, but I mean it's in really amazing condition.
He even has on the thing.
So, yep, that's what's going on. Like I said, probably not gonna be able to walk on it tonight. But yep, whatever. This is what we got. Oh, what he has, it's his. So, yeah, he needs a mower. Okay, never mind. We all working on a lawnmower. We thought we had other stuff too, but we don't. So I'll strap you guys up on my head. And so right now the issue is we have gasoline in the cylinder, keeping the piston from going up and down. It's called hydro locking a motor. It's called the same thing with gasoline. I believe, I don't really know.
I'm pretty positive that this motor, through the compression release valve, and being that that's happening, it's opening the intake valve at the same, or the exhaust valve at the same time as the intake valve, and blowing all the gas into the block. I just did another mower just like this. Had the same issue.
Is the little red light beeping?
Yeah. It's recording, I can see it.
Jeez, this thing's... Oh, did you guys see that?
That was a lot of gas. But she turns now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she's full. You got a light above you that's putting off, we can catch it on fire, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Stop, please. All you're gonna do is keep pumping gas. Let me stop. Let me drain the whole thing, don't do anything.
Yeah, that plug is pretty gassy. But it's a brand new plug.
They did just replace the plug. No doubt about that.
Right now, we're draining the oil because there's gasoline in the oil.
I'm unscrewing it. I don't want to do that. Should just be able to twist and
You
open.
gotta twist the one from the other. There's a little notch.
Yeah, I know. Just like that.
Oh yeah, that's nice and gassy. Yeah, oil's not supposed to be that thin.
And smell like gasoline.
Yeah.
I mean, gasoline is refined oil, but
Yeah, they will mix.
very well.
Yeah. So will water and oil. Don't let anybody tell you they won't.
And the motor it will.
Yeah, and a motor
When you just
will.
put the two together, no, the water sits on top. Oil's heavier. Water will float and oil will go to the bottom.
Yeah. We drained all the oil out. That took probably like 5 minutes, honestly. It's all over the place. And
Is that
put
oil?
the spark plug back in there. Yeah, that's oil.
That's what I want.
So we're putting the oil back in it. And we're gonna hope that this thing fires up. Which I'm not concerned of it running. I'm more concerned of it not having other issues or not smoking. I think what happened was the carburetor overflowed because it had sat out for a little while. And then the carburetor overflowed into the motor because the intake valve was open, and that got gas in the motor. The gas leaked through the rings into the motor, filled completely up the motor, and then when he went to go start it, it seized. He pulled the spark plug. You got a new spark plug for it or whatever, and then he went to go start it, and it started up and ran great, but it started smoking, burning oil, because there was gas everywhere in the motor, and that's why it was burning oil. I don't think there's really anything wrong with it, in my opinion. Mowers normally don't
Alright,
have this issue.
it's kind of dangerous. Let's back it out of the gas pipe.
Yeah.
I don't think you need to hook at the jumpers though. Hear me?
Yeah.
I think it's got juice.
There's a red light flashing. Yeah, if you want to start your lawnmower or turn it over without sitting on it because you got it jumped or whatever, all you got to do is put the parking brake on it, and then you can do that. Okay.
You should fire up. You gonna turn it? Or you gonna turn it?
I can get it.
Okay.
Not smoking either. I guess you got a free running mower. If the carburetor, which, I mean, it's a brand new carburetor, I don't see why
Well, don't hook that up.
it would be flooding.
Don't hook that up.
I know.
I don't want it hooked up because I'm going to put a kill switch on that. Shut off, and then just shut it off when I'm done. And it'll always work until I decide to go in and figure out why the heck it's getting gas flooding the motor.
Wonder if the transmission works.
I'll start it up and back it up.
I just want to make sure nothing's in the way.
You got some gas in there. They run for a little bit on them.
Especially in low like it is.
Yeah, I'm not trying to crank that all the way up.
pushy thing's on. We're good. There it goes.
Why are you going forward and back? Let's go back. Back it out. What are you doing? Oh, yes.
Yeah.
See, just back it out. Don't go forward, back, forward, back. Go
I
back.
wanted to make sure forward and reverse
But go
works.
back a ways first. Make sure it's not click, click, clank, 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 click, click, clank, 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 clank.
That's because this push thing wasn't in.
There should be some more gas.
You got zip ties?
No, that's not going to go anywhere right there.
So you want me to just back it out?
Yeah, back it out a little bit. Can't watch the fuel line when that's down. No headlights. Where's the headlight? Where's the headlight?
I don't really know. I think they automatically come on. They're not on the hook.
Alright, go forward. About to run out of gas. Might not give you a problem. Take it around back.
Where do you want me to go?
Around back.
Oh, and there goes.
Burning oil. I'm telling you, the compression release valve's stuck. Letting oil out and it's letting gas in.
Okay, well, if we
What
have,
happens is the exhaust stays open as the intake, and it throws oil in both.
so if we have other issues with this,
Either
which
that or the exhaust is full of oil.
it might
It's
be.
just got to burn it all out.
But like I was saying, if we have issues with this again, with this machine, you guys will hear about it. But if we don't, which I hope we don't, I hope he's got a good lawnmower.
Dude, that's insane.
for you.
Good battery, brand new carburetor, brand new plugs, brand new plug wires
They can't see anything.
on
But
this
yeah,
thing.
so if this thing runs great, it's good. But if we gotta walk on it again, you guys will hear about it.
Oh
So
yeah, we'll put it on there.
that being said, I'm gonna shut this video now, and we're gonna do whatever we're gonna do. I gotta go get the Honda from over there, but yep, that's the ending of this video. Hope you guys like it. Hit subscribe, like, comment, whatever. You guys know what the drill. So, see ya. Bye.